up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Last Night in LA on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your Capo on 1. The first chord you'll want to play is a power chord on 6, 8, 8, like that. Second chord is 6, 8, 7. Down. And the third chord is 6, 8, open. Well, that first fret's pressed with your Capo, so it's really like 6, 8, 1, but we're just gonna say open. That's how it should sound. So to play the pattern, you just start from high to low with your pinky finger first. Do that like that, and then you just drop it, put your middle finger down on the 7th fret,